The megapodes, also known as incubator birds or mound builders, are stocky, medium-large, chicken-like birds with small heads and large feet in the family Megapodiidae. Their name literally means large foot and is a reference to the heavy legs and feet typical of these terrestrial birds. All are browsers, and all but the malleefowl occupy wooded habitats. Most are brown or black in color. Megapodes are superprecocial, hatching from their eggs in the most mature condition of any bird. They hatch with open eyes, bodily coordination and strength, full wing feathers, and downy body feathers, and are able to run, pursue prey, and in some species, fly on the same day they hatch. Megapodes are medium-sized to large terrestrial birds with large legs and feet with sharp claws. The largest members of the clade are the species of Electra and Taligala. The smallest are the Micronesian scrubfowl, Megapodius leporus, and the Moluccan scrubfowl, Eulipo wallacei. They have small heads, short beaks, and rounded and large wings. Their flying abilities vary within the clade. They present the hallux at the same level of the other toes, just like the species of the clade Crassidae. The other galliforms have their halices raised above the level of the front toes. Megapodes are found in the broader Australasian region, including islands in the western Pacific, Australia, New Guinea, and the islands of Indonesia east of the Wallace Line, but also the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal. The distribution of the family has contracted in the Pacific with the arrival of humans, and a number of island groups such as Fiji, Tonga, and New Caledonia have lost many or all of their species. Raoul Island, a New Zealand territory in the main island of the Kermadec Islands, may also have once had a species of megapode, based on settler accounts. Megapodes are mainly solitary birds that do not incubate their eggs with their body heat as other birds do, but bury them. Their eggs are unusual in having a large yolk, making up 50 to 70% of the egg weight. The birds are best known for building massive nest mounds of decaying vegetation, which the male attends, adding or removing litter to regulate the internal heat while the eggs develop. However, some bury their eggs in other ways. There are burrow nesters which use geothermal heat, and others which simply rely on the heat of the sun warming sand. Some species vary their incubation strategy depending on the local environment. Although the Australian brush turkey was thought to exhibit temperature-dependent sex determination, this was later proven false. Temperature does, however, affect embryo mortality and resulting offspring sex ratios. The non-social nature of their incubation raises questions as to how the hatchlings come to recognize other members of their species, which is due to imprinting in other members of the order Galliforms. Research suggests an instinctive visual recognition of specific movement patterns is made by the individual species of megapode. Megapode chicks do not have an egg tooth. They use their powerful claws to break out of the egg, and then tunnel their way up to the surface of the mound, laying on their backs and scratching at the sand and vegetable matter. Similar to other superprecocial birds, they hatch fully feathered and active, already able to fly and live independently from their parents. In megapodes, superprecociality apparently evolved secondarily from brooding and at least loose parental care is more typical in galliforms. Eggs previously assigned to Genornis have been reassigned to giant megapode species. Some dietary and chronological data previously assigned to dromornithids may instead be assigned to the giant megapodes. Megapodes share some similarities to the extinct enantiorniths in terms of their superprecocial life cycle, though also several differences. The more than 20 living species are placed in 7 genera. Although the evolutionary relationships between the Megapodiidae are especially uncertain, the morphological groups are clear. Living Megapodiidae, based on the work by John Boyd. Genus Nwalaworthy et al. 2015. Lineys Megapode, Nwalo Walter Linney Worthy et al. 2015, Vanuatu. Genus Megapodius Bowles and Iveson 1999. Megapodius Minya Bowles and Iveson 1999. Scrubfowl group. Genus, Macrocephalon. Maleo, Macrocephalon maleo. Genus, Eulipo, sometimes included in Megapodius. Moluccan megapode, Eulipo wallacei. Genus, Megapodius. Tongan megapode, Megapodius pritchardii. Micronesian megapode, Megapodius leporus. Marianas Island megapode, Megapodius leporus leporus. Palau Island megapode, Megapodius leporus senex. Nicobar megapode, Megapodius nicobariensis. Philippine megapode, Megapodius cumingii. Sula megapode, Megapodius bernsteinii. Tanimbar megapode, Megapodius dinimperensis. Dusky Megapode, Megapodius freycinet. Forson's Megapode, Megapodius, freycinet, Forstenii. Biax scrubfowl, Megapodius geelvinkianus. Melanesian Megapode, Megapodius eremita. Vanuatu Megapode, Megapodius layardi. New Guinea scrubfowl, Megapodius affinis. Orange-footed scrubfowl, Megapodius reinward. Pile-builder scrubfowl, Megapodius mollistructor Balouet and Olson 1989. Vidi levu scrubfowl, Megapodius emissus worthy 2000. Consumed scrubfowl, Megapodius alimentum Steepman 1989a. M. andamanensis Walter 1980 Nomen dubium species. M. Bernabii Gray 1861 Nomen dubium species. Raoul Island scrubfowl, MSP. EUA scrubfowl, small food megapode, MSP. Lifuca scrubfowl, MSP. Stoutongan megapode, MSP. Large Vanuatu megapode, MSP. Large Solomon Islands, MSP. New Caledonia megapode, MSP. Loyalty megapode, MSP. New Ireland scrubfowl, large Bismarck's megapode, MSP. Malleefowl, group. Genus, Lypoa. Malleefowl, Lypoa ocellata. Brush turkey group. Genus, Alectura. Australian brush turkey, Alectura lathami. Genus, Epipodius. Wattled brush turkey, Epipodius arphakianus. Wygeo brush turkey, Epipodius proegnii. Genus, Taligala. Red-billed brush turkey, Taligala cuvieri. Black-billed brush turkey, Taligala fusarostris. Collared brush turkey, Taligala jodiensis. Genus, Progura. Progura gallinaceae, Queensland, Pleistocene. Progura campestris, S.A., Pleistocene. Genus, Latigalena. Latigalena nerico-hortensis formerly Progura nerico-hortensis, NSW, S.A., Pleistocene. Latigalena balsoni, S.A., Pleistocene. Incerti saties. Genus, Gardamelga. Gardamelga monamerite, S.A., Pleistocene.